Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing video of something I picked up as an accessory to go with my The Tote Bag airbrush canvas bag by Marc Jacobs. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I purchased this from the Nordstrom website and I thought this would be a cute addition to my new bag that I picked up. If you have not seen that unboxing and what fits in my bag as well as some mod shots, then I will go ahead and link that in the eye up here so you can check that out after this video. But it is one of my favorite bags so far this year. I just feel like it is so fresh and summery. And it just brings me joy. Looking at it makes me happy. So I thought I'd pick up this little bow pink accessory. This is the Charm Top Zip wallet. So I'm excited to see if this actually can go with this bag or not. If not, it's a wallet, so I feel like I'll just put it inside the bag. But I am hoping that it will be. Oh my goodness. That is some crazy cuteness. Oh, that is adorable, you guys. What a beautiful color pink. So this is bow pink. This is the Charm Top Zip wallet. And this retails for $150. I am dying right now. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. Oh, they have, these are little, adorable. Oh, look at that, you guys. That is too cute. Oh, okay. This was a good decision. Oh, and a boot. Look how pretty that is. Oh, okay. I really do feel like I'm glad I picked this up now. I wasn't sure if I was gonna love it, but I do. All right, let's go ahead and take this off the ring so you can see it in its entirety. And let's go ahead and take this off. So it is embossed with Marc Jacobs in this beautiful white clean font. It has a great little leather tab zipper pull. Let's check out the zip on this. Nice zip. So inside you have your care card. Let's take out all our stuffing in here. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so cotton inside the bag, and then you've got this little slip pocket where you can stick your cards. This is too cute. Okay, so here you'll see this ring. It's an easy clip ring. You could take these off if you wanted to and just have the pouch. You could also take this off. So here it says Marc Jacobs embossed in this gorgeous silver little clasp. Beautiful chain there. Can you see that? And it is just these charms, you guys. Hold on, let me do this. Charm Top Zip wallet all by itself without anything on it, just so you can get a good look at it. It is such a beautiful pink. Now it matches this beautifully, you guys. Okay, so let's have a closer look at this little charm. So here is the easy claw here. It's embossed there with Marc Jacobs. Next you have this beautiful key, and what a lovely charm. And then here you've got this gorgeous daisy. It is so pretty. And next we have this chunky boot. Look how cute. Love this so much. So easily you can attach it on your bag if you wanted to, or let's check it out. Let's see what that looks like on here. So I personally am going to put this wallet inside my bag. That's just me. You can attach it if you want to. This seems a bit thick for that, and I'm not sure how you feel about having your money on the outside of your bag, but that is super duper cute, if I will say that much. For security reasons, I'm going to keep mine inside my bag, but that is really pretty. So if I wanted to add the charm back in, I could easily do that. And I could just add it just like that. That is adorable, you guys. What do you think? I think that is so stinking cute. All right, so your other options with this one are you could take this off altogether and put this inside your bag. And then here is the other option. So you could just, here, let's do it so you can see the flower, and attach it just like that. That is really, really cute as well. I love that so, so much. So you could play around with it. I mean, you could put it on so many bags, not just this one. I feel like this would go with so many things. It is adorable. And of course, the charm top zip wallet is so beautiful. I love this. Like, this all by itself is so worth purchasing it, but then this just adds an extra element of cuteness. So again, $150 for the charm top zip wallet. Again, you could attach this here if you wanted. Like I said, you could add this under it like you saw earlier. There's just so many things you could do with it. I just find this incredibly adorable. Dimensions of this top zip wallet are 5 inches in the width and 3.5 inches in the height of this little cutie. Really, really cute. Feels really well made. It is absolutely adorable. I love that crisp, clean lettering right there on the front, and the white just kind of stands out on this beautiful sort of creamy pink color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little charm top zip wallet unboxing, as well as what it looks like on my bag. This to me is definitely a keeper. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, and I'd appreciate it so much if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to see you in my next video, and until then, bye guys.